Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm happy to have you here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate your Depop Balance or use your Depop Balance. Now remember that Depop Balance is a feature that allows sellers to access the money they earn from sales directly in the Depop account rather than just waiting for the standard payout schedule. It gives you more control over your funds. Now, to show you how to activate your Depop balance, the first thing you want to do is ensure that you're properly logged into your Depop platform by heading to Google Chrome browser and then typing in depop.com, and it will navigate you to this page. Now, the next thing you want to do after you have properly signed in is to head over to the top right corner where you have your avatar or your brand's picture or your brand's logo. Click on that and then it will navigate you straight up to your settings. All right, this is where you're going to set up your Depop balance. Now we'll just quickly click on that and it will take us to the next page. Now to navigate your Depop balance, we'll just head over here and just type in Depop balance. All right, now to activate your Depop balance, remember that you need to be armed with all of your information, including your full name, date of birth, social security number for US users, or relevant information that is equivalent for your country usage. This is important because you want to verify your identity to ensure it is really you. Also, remember to be armed with your bank account details for payouts because Depop may also require a photo ID to verify your identity. Now, remember to agree to all the terms and conditions that it will require of you, and having done that, do well to read and then accept. When you've done that, you successfully activate your balance. Once all the information that you've given is verified, your balance will now be active. You can now access your funds and earn much more money faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to activate your Depop balance on the Depop platform and how to also use your Depop balance when you've activated it. Until next time, bye for now.